by October 15 or maybe October 16, but hopefully earlier than that. Usually ginapasulod na ni Governor ang mga ang iyang proposed budget, annual executive budget, and we will immediately act on it with dispatch na matapos natin ang budget briefing and eventually the enactment even before December 1, 2022.
Yes, manog tapos na no ang nasa last quarter na kita no. Anong mga programs and projects nga sa imong pagtanaw kinahanglan nga matapos for this year sa
May in-launch kami nga programa we call Kabataan First. Kabataan First, the first is an acronym. Focus, an F focus, investments, tourism, agri-fishery, employment, mga bagay. Ang I stands for infrastructure. R is for responsive health system and social services. Ang S is sustainable economy. And D is trusted governance. So, through this, muning may mga programa, nag-duel, muning nag-guide na talaylain natin kasi the same way sa pagpunta sa pundo sa client ng project. So like for example, from 2003, may mga package promotions, investments, promotions, mga gipatigayon Provincial Economic Development Office natin. So, sa panahon mo daw, wala kami kakonsentrado sa Bengo, other than papers, like identification sa mga potential farms. Katapos, kung sinada, natanaw na mo na accessibility sila. So, masulod ang integrated infrastructure na. So, though isa lang ka package. Ang sa letter R nato, we're in the process of upgrading and expanding provincial hospital. Dr. Catalino Gallego na provincial hospital. We are on the final stage of planning. We hope we can commence